Hey guys, so today's video is going to be about this guy, and specifically about this iPad. It's going to be about the screen protector that I've been using. The screen protector that I've been using is the PAPERLIKE version 1 screen protector, and I thought I'd just share my thoughts and opinions on how I've been able to use it and the outcome that I've had with it. Now, a lot of videos that cover the iPad, that cover screen protectors, they all happen to be sponsored by PAPERLIKE, and I found this really interesting because, you know, that could be a little bit sketchy because sometimes it's a really positive review and then you get to the very end and then they say, thank you PAPERLIKE for sponsoring this video, and it kind of throws it all off. And personally, I couldn't find a lot of unbiased videos about the PAPERLIKE screen protector. So today I thought I would share my unbiased review of the PAPERLIKE version 1 screen protector for you guys to see if it's worth it for your iPad or if it doesn't live up to the hype of all those reviews. If you guys want to skip around this video, there's going to be timestamps in the description and in the pinned comment in case you want to check out a certain aspect of this video. So firstly, we're going to talk about some pros about the screen protector. Now, right from the unboxing, PAPERLIKE provides everything that you need to get set up with the screen protector and connect it to your iPad. They also have an entire video that outlines how to connect it to your iPad to make sure that you connect it properly and that you don't make any mistakes. Now, even though it's lengthy, it's really good that they include this because it shows how much they care about you connecting it properly to your iPad screen. Now, you're gonna find that it has a matte finish, meaning that it's gonna completely get rid of any of the light that's reflecting off your iPad screen. It's gonna remove 99%, I'd say, of the fingerprints and even make it scratch resistant so that you don't damage your iPad screen. Now, I say 99% because finger oils can actually still get into the protector, and they actually recommend that you wipe it with a wet napkin just to make sure that you keep all the benefits of the PAPERLIKE screen protector. Something else that's really good about the screen protector is that you know that you're going to be able to protect your iPad screen and you're going to have that relief that your iPad is always going to be safe. iPads obviously aren't cheap, so having it protected is a really huge benefit in that clarity and that peace of mind. Now, whether that's worth the asking price is a little bit of a different conversation, and we'll get into that in a little bit. Now, the first con about this screen protector is what I mentioned before, and that is the price. Compared to other screen protectors that are on Amazon, you can definitely find matte screen protectors that can get the job done and that are cheaper in price. Now, that being said, that must mean that there's something special about the PAPERLIKE screen protector, right? Well, luckily it does, sort of. As they've marketed, the entire selling point of this screen protector is its PAPERLIKE capabilities. I mean, that's the whole name of it, PAPERLIKE. So the whole point of the screen protector is to make your iPad feel like paper. And I've been using this iPad for well over 6 months, even coming up to a year probably, and I'm still finding that I have just not found that paper-like feeling. Not having this writing experience is a pretty substantial loss to this screen protector. I mean, that's the whole point of buying this thing. Now, don't get me wrong, it does feel like paper when it comes out of the box, but that only lasts about 3 days. After that, the writing experience that you're supposed to get quickly fades away, and trust me, I've wiped this thing with microfiber cloths, I've wet it, and I've done everything I can and that PAPERLIKE has instructed to keep it as clean as possible to get all the benefit out of it. And me doing what PAPERLIKE actually outlines to do and it's still not working says a lot about it. It is not prevalent and does not exactly change the writing experience of the Apple Pencil. It maybe adds a little bit more friction. Some of the better pros about the screen protector has to be the matte feature, that it just, you know, blocks out the reflection of lights in the classroom, and that's not even the selling point for this screen protector. So having a short-lived PAPERLIKE experience really just messed up the entire experience for me. Some other small things that I didn't really enjoy about the PAPERLIKE screen protector would be the fact that colors are thrown off because, I mean, this is a matte screen protector, so colors are going to get a little bit washed out. You won't really be able to notice it until you look at the whites, and when you look at the white, you can really tell the difference between what your beautiful Retina iPad screen was and what the PAPERLIKE screen protector does. And if the writing experience was there, I'd say it's completely fine. However, it is not, and that's a huge problem. Not only that, but its lengthy installation process, like I said before, which they do give a video for, and props to them for doing that. However, I definitely had to go through one of the screens because I think they give you at least two, and I definitely had to go through one just installing this guy and making sure that I had it correctly on, because once this guy comes on, it is not coming off. Trust me, I've tried. I think it took me around 20 minutes the first time going through one of the two included screen protectors, and that just compounded on top the fact that it doesn't even work, just really messed up the experience for me. And just to put the cherry on top all of this is the price. The fact that you can get matte screen protectors that'll do what this screen protector does for way cheaper on Amazon. And the price that this screen protector is compared to the other ones just doesn't make it worth it. If it did have the writing experience, by all means it would be. However, that just simply isn't the case because it doesn't even fulfill that promise. I really did expect it to perform better considering all the positive videos that were talking about the screen protector and all the videos that were sponsored by PAPERLIKE. I just assumed that they would actually give a product that would perform, and for my product at least, it did not. Now, before the comments start coming in, I do know that they have released a second version of the screen protector, which now costs around $50 Canadian, and it does claim to fix a lot of the issues that are present in this first screen protector version. Now, I'm not trying to hate on the creator of the screen protector. I still think it's a great product, and the idea and concept of it is really amazing, especially for me as a student taking notes. However, it promised it would do a lot of things, and surprisingly, the most important thing it was supposed to do, it did not fulfill. Now, hopefully the second version is way better than this one, or at least way better than my version that I got. And in the future, I most likely will get it just to try it out. Now, obviously, this is just my opinion, and this is just more so my experience with it. Hopefully your experience is better and that you do have a positive review of the PAPERLIKE screen protector. However, I'm just making this video to show that not every video is sponsored and not every video is positive about it, because simply there are faults in the screen protector, and those may be covered up by the sponsored videos that get the clicks. In my opinion, I just don't see a difference between this screen protector and a $15 screen protector that you can get off Amazon. For me as a student, I'm just hoping that the PAPERLIKE 2 could really provide me and you a lot of value. And just like the PAPERLIKE 2 could provide you a lot of value, if this video has provided you any value, it would really help my channel if you left a like and even subscribed if you want more videos just like this one. More videos are on the way, so hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss them. I'm Matt, and thanks for watching.